another stock which is under pressure today is Sonata Software. Now, the stock opened actually much lower, but since then it's trimmed some of its losses, but still down close to about 2.5%. The reason why the stock could be under pressure is because the street is looking at the revenue numbers. Revenues are down 15.5% on a quarter-on-quarter basis, though on a year-on-year basis, revenues have gone up by more than 30%. The reason for the quarter-on-quarter revenue drop is their domestic products business. Now, Sonata gets part of its revenues from the IT services business, comparable to the Infi TCS of the world, but of course much smaller. And the balance business is a products business where they are, licensing, products from many of these large companies like Microsoft and then reselling it to the enterprises. This business is typically very lumpy, and that had recorded a 22% drop in the overall revenues on a quarter-on-quarter basis. But the street generally focuses on the IT services business, which has clocked in a good quarter. Revenue growth is actually up 8.6%, quarter-on-quarter, though the top line this time includes the acquisition of Quant Systems, which got completed on 10th of March. Another negative in the numbers slightly is the EBITDA margins for the international IT services business, which has fallen to 23.1%, and this is the lowest that we've seen in the last couple of quarters. Also bear in mind, the stock has run up quite a bit, 50% up so far this year, and it's up 72% in the last 1 year itself. So there is that element of profit booking, but Sonata's IT services business revenue growth is actually pretty strong.
Okay, that is on Sonata. Reema, thanks a lot for that. Let's